we'll guide you through how to use templates for Wix. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Wix website. Once you're on the homepage, log into your account or create a new one if you haven't already. After logging in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. Here, look for the Create New Site button, usually located at the top right corner. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to choose the type of website you want to create. Wix offers various categories like business, blog, online store, and more. Choose the category that best fits your needs. After selecting the category, you'll be taken to the template gallery. This is where the magic happens. Browse through the available templates, and you'll notice that they're divided into different categories to help you find the perfect fit. You can preview any template by hovering over it and clicking on View. This will give you a better idea of the template's layout and design. Once you find a template you love, click Edit to start customizing it. Wix's editor is intuitive and user-friendly. You can change text, images, and layouts with a simple drag-and-drop feature. If you're looking to change the color scheme or fonts, you can do that too by selecting the Design tab in the editor. As you make changes, Wix automatically saves your progress, so you don't have to worry about losing any work. When you're happy with your site, click Publish to make it live on the web. One tip is to use the mobile preview feature to ensure your site looks great on all devices. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.